Each Aeroprakt A32 is built to order and offers many different options. This video is designed to help you decide which options are right for you. The A32 has two control options. The yoke has a center console throttle, while the stick model has independent throttles in the panel on both sides. The A32 has two engine options, Rotax ULS and IS. The IS offers a completely redundant electronic multi-port fuel injection system, providing up to 30% increase in fuel economy and lower maintenance costs. The IS automatically controls the fuel mixture while also eliminating the possibility of carb ice. The recommended propeller options are Kiev, E-Prop, and Duke. There are 3 tire options available: 15 6x6 with optional wheel pants, 606, and 8x6. Mudguards are available for all 3 sizes. Each Aeroprakt instrument panel is custom designed. Mechanical instruments are an option, but glass panel systems are far more popular. Both the Garmin G3X touch system and the Dynon Skyview HDX touch system are available in the A32. Either system includes a 10.6-inch touchscreen, autopilot radio, ADS-B transponder, and more. The Dynon AV-SP panel is an option that allows easier access to the autopilot, and the SV knob panel puts the altitude bug, heading bug, and altimeter setting at your fingertips. With the Garmin G3X system, the autopilot control panel with similar features is included. If equipped with the Garmin G3X system, the A32 is also available with full IFR capability, with the addition of the GTN 650 XI Navigator, GMA 245 audio panel, G5, and heated pitot tube. The U-Avionics AV30 is also a popular addition for redundancy, offering full flight data in a compact size. USB and 12-volt charge ports are available in various locations. It's recommended to have a cowl landing light and wingtip nav strobe lights. Wing landing lights with the wigwag function greatly improve visibility for night flying or high traffic areas, and a beacon can also be installed in the vertical fin. Key locks for the doors are an inexpensive option and are recommended to secure the aircraft and its contents. The Magn Parachute is an optional rocket-deployed ballistic parachute for emergency use in the event the aircraft becomes uncontrollable due to a major failure. It can be deployed from as low as 100 feet. Pre-rigging the airframe for a parachute makes installation at a later date simple and easy. Defrost fans help clear the windshield, as well as circulate heat in the cabin. For cold weather operations, a Radiator Shield is available to decrease warm-up time, keep oil temperature up, and increase cabin heat. The photo windows are great for unobstructed photography, but are only recommended when photography is a primary use. The zipper cover for the lower baggage compartment is a popular option, as it keeps the compartment tidy and allows for easy access to smaller items. The A32 can be painted in nearly any RAL color, and the automotive metallic colors may be available for an additional cost. A 2-color scheme is possible, but limited. Aeroprakt aircraft, built to your specifications.